Established in 2003, Hebei Yongwei Metal Produce Company Limited has been a comprehensive enterprise of metal product manufacturing, processing, and exporting. The company is located in Dingzhou City, Hebei Province, with convenient transportation. It is only 330 kilometers away from the nearest port, Tianjin Port. We have excellent production technology staff and advanced production equipment, sufficient capacity to meet the needs of different customers. Currently, we have 5 workshops which specialize in producing galvanized wires, black annealed wires, PVC-coated wires, U-type wires, loop-tie wires, straight-cut wires, barbed wires, stainless steel wires, hexagonal wire meshes, chain-link fences, welded wire meshes, window screens, square wire meshes, various kinds and PE-coated wire meshes. We have a complete set of quality control system. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, with which every product has been strictly inspected. The product has obtained the third-party quality inspection report. We can provide customers with excellent products and services, with reliable quality and reasonable prices. We win extensive public praise and credit in the international market. We believe, with support of our customers, through continuous endeavor, Hebei Yongwei Metal Produce Company Limited will make more progress and make contributions to the development of China wire mesh industry. Welcome to visit our factory. Call us at any time and look forward to our cooperation.